Hey, I'm Hannah. Today we're going to tour the Cumberland model by Arden Homes. Arden Homes is a local builder of luxury homes in all price ranges. This is unusual, but Arden has found a way to scale their process that they perfected in building big, beautiful homes for even the entry new home buyer. The Cumberland plan we are about to tour begins in the 370s and has lots of great features. This floor plan is found in Springvale Hill, which is the newest phase of Welden Village in Kernersville. The Cumberland floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home that can be altered to be a 4-bedroom and 3.5 bath. Arden Homes calls this floor plan a bigger home without the bigger budget. Let's see why. Arden Homes website allows you to customize your floor plan even while you're still in the shopping stage, so you can see how certain options affect the final selling price of each floor plan. In this kitchen, you can see some of those options with the quartz countertops and the gas range. Electric ranges are standard, but some chefs insist on a gas range. So the Arden design tool lets you see how it affects the bottom line. Many standard features in this home may feel like an upgrade option. All kitchen and bath cabinetry are built with soft close hardware, which a lot of folks really appreciate. This home provides for a main level primary suite with an ensuite bathroom. Let's take a look.
The spacious primary suite is modern and airy. Homeowners will appreciate the design of the primary bath, including the transom window that allows sunlight to filter into the shower. The white tile contrasts sharply with the black frame glass door and modern fixtures.
Here's one of my favorite features. This home plan has one of the largest loft areas you'll find in any home, and it provides options for the home buyer. Use it as a loft with all the options that are available, or turn it into a 4th bedroom.